Take a moment to close your eyes and drop the awareness into your body, letting go of the thinking and the thoughts and analyzing, and just be neutral as you feel and observe the sensations of your entire body in this moment, welcoming everything in without any judgment. Taking another deep breath in, and as you exhale, relaxing your body more. Taking another deep breath in and feeling that wave of relaxation move over your entire body. And as you stay the observer of the entire body in this present moment, grounding yourself into this moment, imagine now a golden light beaming down and surrounding your entire body, feeling its warmth and brightness, soothing and relaxing you, creating a protective space around you where you feel safe. Taking a deep breath in and a relaxed breath out, feel yourself engulfed in this golden light, and a deep breath in and a relaxing breath out, feeling yourself held and knowing that in this moment you are safe. You are safe in your body and you are safe to be in this present moment, welcoming all sensations, relaxing into the sensations, feeling the soothing nature of this golden light surrounding your entire body. And then as we sit in this golden light around us, we'll begin some breath work. Breathing in for 4 counts through the nose and out for 6 counts through the mouth. So make the breath nice and gentle. Again, just observing sensations neutrally, not judging. And let's begin. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last one, in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And gently coming back to your easy breath, feeling the sensation of the air coming in through the nostrils, noticing that soft sensation of the air coming out of the nostrils, staying in your body, welcoming all here, and just seeing if you can relax, soften, widen a bit more into whatever is here right now. Feeling that golden light surrounding your body. Practicing that sense of presence. Feeling the sensations of the body. Listening with the ears to any sounds. And feeling that as you stay in contact with the body, as you listen to the sounds and feel the breath, you become more and more relaxed and grounded. And you can stay here for a while longer if you'd like, or go back to the beginning of this meditation. Otherwise, we'll finish with 3 deep cleansing breaths. So breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, letting everything go. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And slowly opening the eyes, come back into the room, feeling the sensations of the body. Thank you for joining me. My name is Alice Bowmaker, and you can find out more about me at alicebowmaker.com.